Most locks fail not because they're broken, but because they were never designed for today's world. What if I told you that the very thing you trust to protect your home, your family, and your valuables is based on a concept that's centuries old? It's not about how strong the metal is or how complex the key looks. The real problem is much deeper. In this video, we're going to expose why traditional locks are outdated, the security myths people still believe, and how next-generation technology is getting ready to replace keys forever. And just to be clear, we are not showing you how to break locks. We're showing you why they fail and how to truly protect your home. So let's talk about the illusion of security. We see a sturdy-looking deadbolt and think, I'm safe. But think about the key in your pocket. It can be lost. It can be stolen, and scariest of all, it can be copied without you ever knowing. A lock is just a mechanical device. It has no idea who is turning the key. Is it you, a family member, or someone who found your keys on the sidewalk or made a copy at a hardware store? The lock doesn't care. It just opens. We've been taught to believe that security is all about the strength of the metal, but that's a huge misconception. The fundamental design of a pine and tumbler lock hasn't changed much in over a century. Its biggest limitation isn't its strength, but its simplicity. This brings us to the real weak point, and it's not what you think. It's not about lockpicking tools or brute force attacks. The biggest vulnerability in modern security is human behavior. We give spare keys to neighbors, contractors, or dog walkers and then forget to get them back. We lose keys and hope for the best. We rely on a system that has zero identity verification. The lock can't tell you who opened the door or when. It offers no log, no history, no intelligence. It just presents a barrier. Criminals often don't need sophisticated tools. They just need to exploit our predictable human habits and the lack of information our security systems provide. The lock can't stop someone who has a legitimate key, even if they have bad intentions. So, if keys and old-school locks are the problem, what's the solution? The future is already here, and it's all about identity-based security. Instead of relying on an object you can lose, the system relies on something you can't. I'm talking about biometrics. Your fingerprint, your face, even the sound of your voice. These are unique identifiers that can't be easily copied or stolen. Imagine a door that only opens for you and the people you've authorized with a simple touch or a glance. No more fumbling for keys in the dark. No more worrying about lost spares. This isn't science fiction. It's smart home technology that's becoming more accessible every day. These systems can also provide real-time alerts to your phone, showing you who accessed your home and when. You can grant temporary access to a delivery person or a friend from anywhere in the world and revoke it just as easily. It's a shift from passive security to active, intelligent protection. No keys, no copying, and no more guessing. This all leads to a final, crucial point. The strongest lock isn't one that's harder to break. It's one that's impossible to impersonate. The ultimate goal of security isn't just to keep people out, but to ensure that only the right people get in. By shifting the focus from a physical key to a unique biometric identity, we eliminate the weakest link in the entire chain. The conversation is no longer about how to stop a key from being copied, but about making the key entirely obsolete. The future of home protection isn't about building thicker walls or stronger bolts. It's about building smarter systems that know you. What do you think? Would you trust biometrics over a physical key? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the future of safety and tech. Thanks for watching.